Hello friends, now to solve this expression we use the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. O stand for O, we convert into multiplication and we solve the square roots and exponents. D. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now step 1, division. We first look for any division and there is 10 divided by 10. So first we divide the values and answer will get 1. Now the expression becomes 10 plus 10 minus 10. So now, according to this step 1, division takes priority over addition and subtractions in the BODMAS hierarchy. Now the step 2, multiplication. Next we perform the multiplication from left to right. Now, as you can see the multiplication 10 multiplied by 10 and one more multiplication 1 into 10. So first we multiply the digits, first 10 into 10 100 and then after 1 into 10 equals to 10. So now expression becomes 10 plus 100 plus 10 minus 10. According to this step, after division, multiplication is the next highest priority. Now addition. Now we add the remaining positive numbers together. First we add the digits 10 plus 100 plus 10. So now it will become 120. Now the expression become 120 minus 10. According to this step, addition is performed before the final subtraction. Now the step 4 says subtraction. Finally we perform the last remaining operation. So 120 minus 10 equals to 110. This is the final result. Is by using the BODMAS, according to this expression, the final result is 110 and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.